Hi everybody, it's Sarah here with Habitat Housewares. I am happy to see you guys after being away last week. I was here, but we had a crazy amount of stuff going on, freight coming in, and I just lost time in my day. So I apologize for missing a week on my Test It Out Tuesday. It's my very first time. I've never done a video on a Tuesday, so I was a little bit bummed about it. But I'm here today to show you a new product. It's not new, it's something we've had for quite some time, and it is pretty cool. I've practiced with it a few times. I've made a few different flavors of whipped cream. So this is the iSi Easy Whip whipped cream maker. I think it is 2 liters. Oh, it's a half a liter. It's a pint, a US pint. So I noticed this lasts us probably a week or so in the fridge. So I'm going to show you all how to use it today. It's really easy to use. A few different parts to this. There's, of course, the canister and the lid. We've got the dispenser here and the button along the side, but this go ahead and pulls off, and this is how we're going to insert the nitrous oxide in to give it the whipped cream ability. So what we have to do is first fill our container to the max fill line here with heavy whipping cream. So I've got that measured out and ready to go, and that's actually a little bit less than I would normally do. I like to add a little bit of sugar in here to make it a little bit sweeter. However, do not add granulated sugar. It will clog the super teeny, you can't see it because it's so tiny, but the dispenser that the whipped cream actually comes through is very small, and granulated sugar will clog it. So what I do is I take powdered sugar and I melt it in just a little bit of water. And so I've got that already melted, but it just adds a little bit of sweetness to it that you wouldn't get otherwise. And so I'm gonna just pour that right in there. And the last thing I'm gonna add is flavoring. Today I'm doing raspberry just because it's one of the ones I had on hand, and it also makes it a really gorgeous pink after you're done making it. So I'll just pour some in there. I'll do a little bit more. So just to make sure I'm doing this right, I'm reading the instructions as I go. So after I add all of my ingredients, make sure you don't go over the fill line. It's no bueno. Then I am going to screw the head onto the bottle. And then I am going to, after that, make sure it's nice and tight. It is. This guy here is what we're going to be using to add the nitrous oxide. So I stick that in there with the smaller nose up, and what I do is I just go ahead and stick it on here, and it's it's a needle nose, so you just twist it until you hear it. Let me get it close so you can kind of hear it. Okay, so now that's in there, and all of it has flowed, so now I need to shake it vigorously. Okay, so after it's shaken vigorously, we unscrew the charger, not the lid. If you don't want to do that, I've done it and it's like an explosion. So just the charger, and it is normal to make a little bit of a hiss when it comes off. So now this is okay to throw in the trash. This just goes back in the box. I like to keep all of our boxes. It's a lot easier for organizational purposes. Now, attach the decorator.
Yeah, that's better.
Alrighty. Now, I am going to grab a plate real quick. Grab one with some color. Alright. And then we have whipped cream. And I'm going to try and get it a little bit closer so you can see. I'm going to come around. I can't get quite close there. Try and get it to focus on pink. There you go, guys. So that is our iSi whipped cream maker. We have lots of these in stock. They're really, really great gifts with Christmas coming up, or if you do like ice cream parties or anything like that. They're super fun. So y'all have a good day, and we will see you next week.